Welcome, dear students, to my online class. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are well, safe and sound. I am also well. Dear students, you know the second wave of COVID-19 is going on, which is more dangerous than ever. So, I fervently request you to maintain hygiene and use mask always. Side by side, you must continue your study and follow the online classes as per schedule. Before starting my class, I would like to give thanks to our honorable principal and shift in charges for their tireless efforts to run the online classes in this pandemic situation. Dear students, today I take the class on English second paper for the students of class 10. This class is also important for the students of class 6 to 9. Let's start the class. Now I would like to expose myself. I am Pradeep Kumar Kormakar, Senior Teacher of English, Ahmed Bawani Academy, School and College, Armanitola, Dhaka. Dear students, look at the screen. You see a passage on the screen. Dear students, read this passage carefully. Now I read out this passage. Please listen to me. George Bernard Shaw was born in Dublin in 1856. His father's family had been small landowners in Ireland since the late 17th century. He was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in November 1950. Dear students, in this passage, you notice only small letters are used here. There is no use of capital letters, right? Okay. Now, notice this passage. What have you observed here? Definitely, you have observed or noticed. Capital letters are used here, right? Where necessary. Okay. So definitely, you can understand, you have observed this passage. The use of capital letters, that is capitalization. Dear students, now you can understand what is our today's lesson. Certainly, our today's lesson is capitalization. That is the use of capital letters. Okay. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to know the definition of capitalization, use capitalization. Now, we should know what is capitalization. Dear students, look at the screen. Notice this passage. Here you can see Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Here Dhaka, Bangladesh. We live in Dhaka. It is an old city. Emperor Jahangir established this city. Here the first letters of these words are used in small letter. But it is wrong, right? Now you can realize what is capitalization. Capitalization means the method of using capital letters. Here we don't use capital letters where necessary. We use small letters, right? Again I say, capitalization means the method of using capital letters. Okay. Dear students, now we should know the method or rules of using capitalization or capital letters. It is very important topic in grammar, right? Okay. If we don't know the method of using capital letters, we will fail to use right capital letters or capitalization in a sentence. Okay. Rule 1, that is capitalization 1. Dear students, you can see a picture. It's a hill shakkari. Dear students, look the first sentence. The fish curry looks appetizing. Second sentence, the fish curry looks appetizing. What is the difference between two sentences? First sentence, capital, the first letters of this sentence is used in small letters. But so this sentence is wrong. The second sentence, the first letter of this sentence is used in capital letter. So definitely you can understand the first letter of the sentence must be used in capital letters, right? অর্থাৎ সেন্টেন্সের প্রথম লেটার ক্যাপিটাল লেটারে হবে, প্রথম অক্ষর। Rule 2, the music in my heart I bore long after it was heard no more. These are the lines of an English poem. Dear students, notice please. The first letter of a sentence must be capital in all the English poems. অর্থাৎ ইংরেজি কবিতার প্রতিটা লাইনের প্রথম লেটার ক্যাপিটাল লেটারে হবে, রাইট? ওকে। Capitalization 3, that is rule 3. She is Julie and she likes American burgers. Here you notice Julie, first letter of Julie used in capital letter, and then first letter of American used in capital letter. Now we can say the first letter of proper nouns and proper adjectives must be capital. Now there is a question, sir. What is proper noun? Definitely we should know what is proper noun. Proper noun is the name of some particular person or place. অর্থাৎ বিশেষ কোনো ব্যক্তি এবং স্থানের নামকে প্রপার নাউন বলে। তাহলে জুলি, দ্যাট ইজ ব্যক্তির নাম। ইন দ্য সেম ওয়ে রহিম, করিম, এটসেট্রা। পার্টিকুলার নেম অফ প্লেসেস, ঢাকা, রাজশাহী, বরিশাল, আর তান্তিবাজার, বংশাল, কেরানীগঞ্জ, রাইট? যে you must remember the first letter of proper noun must be capital letter always, and proper adjectives also be capital letter, right? So what is proper adjective? Proper noun থেকে proper adjective হয়। For example, America. America, name of a place. America থেকে আমেরিকান। বাংলাদেশি, বাংলাদেশি থেকে বাংলাদেশ, বাংলাদেশ থেকে বাংলাদেশি। ইন দ্য সেম ওয়ে ইন্ডিয়া থেকে ইন্ডিয়ান, জাপান থেকে জাপানিজ, চায়না থেকে চাইনিজ, এরকম। ওকে, I think you can understand this fact. Capitalization 4. Dear students, look at the screen. You can see the name of month and day. January, February, March, April, etc. And Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. You can see the first letter of month and day used in capital letters. We can say the first letter of month and day must be in capital letters. Okay? Capitalization 5. Our annual exam will be held on December. You can see annual and exam. Capital letter is used here, right? The first letter of a term will be capital letter. You must remember always. For example, our first term exam, second term exam, annual exam. Okay. Dear students, Rule 6, the Battle of Polachi. You can see the first letter of Battle of Polachi is used in capital letter, right? Then we can say the first letter of historical event must be in capital letters. Another example, the Battle of Badr. Okay? Capitalization 7, that is Rule 7. Please don't tell me a fat man. I am not fat. Dear students, you can see a very nice picture on the screen. Here you notice pronoun I. When pronoun I used as subject, অর্থাৎ pronoun I যখন subject হিসাবে ব্যবহৃত হবে তখন must be capital letter, সেটা capital letterে হবে। অর্থাৎ সিঙ্গেল I সব সময় ক্যাপিটাল লেটারে হবে। ওকে? Capitalization 8. Dear students, you can see a man is praying to God. Oh Allah, forgive me. He prayed to God and he granted his prayer. You notice, oh, then Allah used in capital letter. Definitely, the first letter of interjection must be capital letter, that is O. Then Allah is the name of proper noun. So, capital letter is used here. He prayed to God and he granted his prayer. Here, God that is Allah. So, capital letter is used here. Then he, here he indicates God. You must remember the pronoun of Allah or God must be in capital letters. Okay? That is why he, the first letter of he, used in capital letters. Dear students, capitalization 9. You read these sentences. He is a BA. Abbreviation letter BA. Abbreviation letter must be in capital letters. In the same way, FRCS, MBBS, BSc, BCom, etc. Okay? Then, my dear mother, sir. Here, mother and sir. Addressing. We address mother and sir. Addressing letters must be in capital letters. Mother, sir. Okay? Then he said, there is no alternative of mother in the earth. First letter of quotation. Dekho, he said, there is no alternative of mother in the earth. Quotation er moddhe ache. Inverted comma moddhe ache, that is quotation. First letter of quotation must be capital letter. Here, there. First letter, that is T, capital letter. Dear students, look at the screen and you can see some pictures. First one, you can see the picture of the Quran. The first letter of the religious books must be capital letter. Here, Quran, capital letter. The Daily Star, name of newspapers. The Daily Star. First letter of newspapers must be capital letter. The Daily Star, Putrikar naam. In the same way, the Inqilab the Prothom Alo, the New Nation must be in capital letter. The Batali Hill, you can see the picture of hill, that is Batali Hill. Any kind of Batali Hill must be in capital letter. Then Kanchenjunga, that is mountain. Any kind of mountain must be in capital letter. The Kanchenjunga, first letter capital letter hoyeche. The Padma river, any the first letter of river, any kind of river must be in capital letter. For example, the Padma, the Meghna, the Jamuna, the Dhaleshwari must be in capital letter. Okay? Capitalization 11. The first letter of any kind of institution must be in capital letter. Dear student, you notice the picture, the logo of Ahmed Bawani Academy. The first letter of any kind of institution must be in capital letter. Notice Ahmed Bawani Academy School and College. এখানে দেখো প্রত্যেকটার আগে ক্যাপিটাল লেটার ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে। দেন অস্ট্রেলিয়া চায়না বিজনেস কাউন্সিল, it is the name of an association or institution. Australia China Business Council, এখানেও capital letter is used here. Capitalization 12, any kind of subject, the first letter of any subject read in school, college and universities must be capital letter. First one can see Bengali literature, English for today, mathematical methods, here used the first letter of this subject used in capital letter. The first letter of any kind of a great ship should be capital letter. For example, the Titanic, the Titanic. Here, capital letter, you can see the picture of Bangladesh Railway Express. Bangladesh Railway Express. এই ট্রেনটা বাংলাদেশ এবং ইন্ডিয়ার যৌথ উদ্যোগে হয়েছে, এটার নাম হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশ রেলওয়ে এক্সপ্রেস। So we can say the first letter of the word of any express must be capital letter. Bangladesh Railway Express, in the same way Tista Railway Express, etc. Capital letter is used at the first letter of the word of nations. Jati of the nation, জাতির নামের প্রথম অক্ষর ক্যাপিটাল লেটারে হয়। ফর এক্সাম্পল, বাংলাদেশি, জাপানিজ, ফ্রেঞ্চ, China, etc. Capital here, you notice, capital letter is used at the first letter of the word of religion. যে কোনো ধর্মের নামের প্রথম অক্ষর ক্যাপিটাল লেটারে হয়। Here, the Muslim, the Christian, in the same way, the Hindu, the Buddhist, etc. Okay? Capitalization 16, that is rule 16. The sun rises in the east. Dear student, notice these sentences. He passed his whole life in the east. Here, east, first letter of east is small letter, and the second sentence used capital letter. What is the fact? A small letter is used at the first letter of the word north, east, south and east. অর্থাৎ ডিরেকশন বোঝাতে ডিরেকশনের নর্থ, সাউথ, ইস্ট অ্যান্ড ওয়েস্ট, দ্যাট ইজ ডিরেকশন। ডিরেকশনের প্রথম লেটার স্মল লেটারে হবে। অ্যান্ড ইফ it is indicate region, it must be in capital letter. Dear students, no more today. Best wishes to all. Again, I let you know, Eid Mubarak to all. Okay, bye.